Black and gold cup saucer set with golden stand. Perfect for tea lovers. In this video, I'll be showcasing this luxurious set that includes 6 beautifully crafted black cups 200cc, 6 matching saucers, and an elegant golden stainless steel stand for organizing. The golden stand not only looks elegant but also helps keep your cups and saucers neatly organized, adding a touch of luxury to any space. The stunning black exterior, gold detailing, and pristine white inner finish make this set a perfect addition to any kitchen or tea party setting. Perfect for any special occasion or for everyday indulgence, this set is a true conversation starter. Whether you're hosting a gathering or treating yourself to a quiet moment, this black and gold cup saucer set elevates the experience. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, share, and subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub for more exciting unboxing videos and reviews. Thanks for watching.